Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the different ways to create a dictionary. There are some ways. I am going to show you one by one with the code. Please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So here is the environment. Let me take a new cell here. So the first way, so you can directly define the key and value in the curly brace. Let me take dict1 is equal to name Sidhu, marks 540, location Bangalore. Print of dict1. Now you can see this is one way. Directly you can define the key and value into the dictionary. Second way, I am going to take one empty dictionary. So dict2 is equal to one empty dictionary. Now I am going to add the key and value. So how to? First take the variable name dict2. Key you always need to write inside of the square bracket. So name, value you need to define after equal sign. So here you can write like a value Charan. I want to add one more element. So name, age will be 10 years, dict2 of marks 560, print of dict2. You can see this is the second way. First you can take the empty dictionary, then you can add the key and value. The third way I am going to show you. Take the variable dict3. Explicitly you write the data structure name dict, and inside you can write like a list form. So I taken a one list and inside one item with the name, comma, Geeta. Second item, age 25. See, print of dict3. Yeah, you can see it is not dict. I'm taking like a explicitly dict. So you can see it here. So either you can pass the item in the list form or you can also pass with the tuple form. Let me show you. So here simply I am going to change, instead of list I am going to take in the tuple form. So just take this one. You can execute and you can see. And one more way. If you want, you can pass the element directly in tuple form only. So take the main tuple and then each item I defined in the tuple form, key and value. So the first one is the key and this is the value with comma separated. Let's execute and see. So these are the ways to create the dictionary. So in next video, I'm going to explain about the dictionary methods. So see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.